So in this tutorial, we're going to go through a simple regression analysis using some sleep data here with some study hours. So the objective is to explore the relationship between two variables using a simple linear regression. So some things we're going to consider here is how strong the relationship is between these two variables and whether or not the relationship is statistically significant. So the way we can go about this is going to our data tab here. And if you already have, we'll have our data analysis tab. If not, you can go to one of our previous videos and learn how to install it on your computer. And we're going to scroll down here and look for regression. Once we get regression, we can press on it and press OK. Now here it's going to ask us to input our X and Y range. So for this, we're going to put sleep duration in our Y. So the way we can do this is pressing the cell, Control Shift, and then down arrow on the keyboard, and that'll highlight the entire cell range for us. We can do the same here. We can take our scroll bar, come all the way back up. And in the X range, we could do the same exact thing, starting with study hours, Control Shift down arrow, and that'll highlight everything for us. So let's scroll back up again. Now, we're going to want to check labels because we did include them. And our confidence level, we're going to set to 95. You can set this to 99. You could set this to 98, whatever works for you. So what we're going to have it do is we're going to have it output on a new workbook. And we're just going to call this regression results. And let's check residuals and standard residuals just to have it. And we can press OK. Now you can see here we got our regression results. Now a nice easy way to format this properly, you can do Control A, Alt H, O I. And then you can see everything in one quick swoop.